Okay, I know this is an old game, but we're gonna play Subway Surfers. Ready? Washington, D.C. So you wanna play this time? Yeah? Yeah? No? Well, we are. I barely got this game yesterday. I'm not kidding. And I'm already ahead of my sister. Woo! Dun, 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 dun. Oh. What? Not fair. See how many money I have? Ooh. Wait, I could get a character, but I don't want to. I don't want to waste my money. I should have gotten that. No, no, no! Oh, come on! Oh my god! So close! Oh! I know you guys are like, lame! Like, please! Why is it lame? And I don't even have that much subscribers and I don't have that much likes. I bet you people hate me. At least subscribers and stuff. Other YouTubers have like a bunch of money. I mean a bunch of likes and a bunch of subscribers. I bet you I'm lame. I bet you guys don't even like my videos. I bet you can only... Never mind, I'm not gonna say that anymore. Then you're gonna do that. I bet you guys are gonna roll 30 times. Mission complete. Super agent. I got the super agent. You wanna see what I'm gonna get? What? Oh, okay. I thought it was. I can't even get her. I'm trying to get her. Can't even get her. One. It's stuck. No! Oh my gosh. Nope. thing. I don't get where the coins are. No, no. I could have gone like. Then got that. Like, bro. Whoa. Whoa. Woo! Sick! What? Okay, I have to go really fast. No! Oh my god. Holy snap, that was close. Ah! Oh my god! I thought I was gonna get it. Oh no, no! It's too hard to pass my... I can't even pass my own... What's it called? My own score. It's humongous, look! Humongous! Oh my god, I thought I was gonna get the key. Wait, but that thing was there. Oh my god, I should have gotten the key. Oh my god. That was 3 times shorter than you guys liking my video. Get the video! Okay. I know it was short, but... Bye.